Ever wondered how a stock actually moves throughout the year? SensaMarket's seasonality tool shows you that at a glance. Here's what it does. Every line on this chart is one full year, starting from January 1st. So you can see how AMD has typically behaved month to month and where the current year stacks up against history. Why does this matter? It helps you spot patterns. Does a stock usually dip in a certain month? Does it tend to rally into earnings season? Seasonality gives you that context before you plan a trade. Now let's walk through it. Head to a ticker's Analytics tab and open Seasonality. The chart view plots every year as its own colored line. Use the slider up top to zoom into any range, like just the last 4 years. You can switch between percent view to compare returns or price view to see actual dollar levels. Turn on average to see the typical pattern across your selected years. Want the numbers instead? Switch to table view for a monthly returns heat map. Green for gains, red for losses, with each year's total on the side. That's seasonality. One more way SensaMarket helps you trade with more context, not more guesswork.